Hi everybody, Mama here. So I have two really fun things for the adults today. I usually do things for kids, but these two things are for the adults. One project just for the adults' amusement. One thing I found at Michael's that was just really fun, and I was just making something that I thought I'd share with you guys for myself. I'm going to put flowers in my vase after it's done. And then another thing for the adults to do after your kids are done with their projects, ornament time is coming up for Christmas and stuff. All the different Halloween ceramics are also coming out, and so I thought I'd share this really cool spray that I found at Michael's. I got it for only $9.99, and it helps you preserve your ceramics. So I have one already done. This is a ceramic piggy bank that my husband painted, and I wanted to preserve it. We do this kind of stuff with my daughter all the time, so I wanted to preserve what we were doing, and so he did this little puppy, and it's a little piggy bank. And it comes out really, really cool, and it looks all professional. It's all sealed and everything, and I didn't have to fire it in a kiln. It just dries in the normal air and you're done. It's a triple thick crystal clear glaze, and you just want to put it on nice and thin, because you can always put on a second coat. It dries in minutes. It really does dry in minutes. It's really cool, unless it's dripping with it. You don't want it to be dripping with it though. You just want to put it on nice and thinly, because again, you can always do another coat. And I'm outside because this stuff really does stink. You really want to have good ventilation with it. And then, so I'll show you this one. This is one I painted. This is my little monkey. And so I'm going to clear everything else away. Oh, I'm having trouble with my nose lately. So you just shake it up with a can of paint. If I could get the top off, that'd be great. And just apply a nice thin coat all the way around. I think something's in bloom for fall right now that I'm allergic to. It happens every year. Oh, go away, fly, or I'll spray you. That's it. And it won't stay cloudy that way. That goes away. That will go all the way as it dries. And look nice and clear later. There we go. There's one down. That's it. All done. And then we've got this vase. This is glass. This is not stone, but it's starting to look like stone. It started out just like this. Can you see? Yeah, it started out just like this, all nice clear glass. But now it's got one coat of the stone paint spray on it, and it's starting to look like stone now. So I'm going to do one more coat with this. So shake it up again, just like paint. And I'm going to spray this down. And it'll look just like stone. It'll look like the cap. That's how you tell what it's going to look like. Michael's had a few different ones of these. If I could get the cap off, that'd be great. These are so snug on. I can't take it off. Oh, there we go. There's the cap. I just thought this was so cool, I had to share it. And teenagers, this is a cool thing. If You want to make something cool for Mom? This is fun. Super duper fun. Just making sure all the holes are getting filled in from last time. Now this stuff stays sticky for quite a while. It does take quite a while to, I found, to dry. Now it looks pretty solid now. Only 2 coats to make glass solid with this stuff. So that's pretty good. 2 coats to make glass solid. And that looks just like stone. That's gonna look really, really cool with some flowers in it once it's all dry. So I'm gonna leave this out here because we're having a really good day and let everything dry. And then once it's all dry, I'll just bring it inside and it'll be great. I'll just pause this and I'll show you guys what the vase looks like with some flowers inside.